Hey everybody, it's Dennis. If this guy looks familiar, it should be because of the video right here, and hopefully I can get that YouTube thingy to work, where I took it out, did some speed test runs, had some fun, and ultimately broke it. Which, is fine. These are made to be played with. These are not museum pieces. So while I'm waiting on parts and coming up with some other ideas, I thought I should go ahead and take this guy out, this big, nice size motor, and go ahead and swap it into one of the vehicles I have that already is made for it, which is going to be my Tamiya kit. For those of you who remember, the Tamiya can take both brushed and brushless because it has that TBLE04 something 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 ESC. And it also has the LiPo low voltage cutoff, which means I won't drain the LiPo battery so far down that I could damage it. Now, those are two great features I really like, and I want to go ahead and make use of them now while this guy's running lame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip this out. I'm going to strip out the old one out of the Tamiya kit. Which is that silver can torque one there. Obviously do a little bit of wiring change. And then we'll be able to see how much of a performance increase we get going from the brushed to the brushless. I expect it to be pretty interesting. And the good news is if I can do it this weekend, because it's just a rainy, terrible, cloudy, wet weekend, I should have this ready to when I hang out with the family on Thanksgiving and maybe have some special family Thanksgiving RC footage. But that's enough of this little intro. I'll go ahead and start tearing everything apart. Well, as you just saw, not everything goes to plan. I initially wanted to keep using this ESC, but I kept getting an overvoltage warning. So instead of just fighting with it, and I might as well move up to use a 60 amp ESC with the brushless. The benefit is I could upgrade easily to a 3-cell battery instead of the little 2 cells I have been using. I'll do that whenever I finally break down and spend the money. But in the meantime, I got a lot of these 2 cells. They work just fine. The car moves just fine. Really, all I need now is a little bit of Velcro. Unfortunately, I could not get this thing into place correctly. Don't really care. I mean, all I gotta do is use that to turn it on and off. I'll figure out some kind of Velcro way. This thing is in the way. I didn't really want to shave it off or cut it off. I could easily do that and then probably mount that there. But I could also just stick a piece of Velcro right here and it works fine just the same. But if you wanted to see what it looks like, it's going to be a little noisy because this has a fan on it. And a little gas, a little bit, full gas! Reverse. So that is already a significant improvement in speed. So it probably is smart that I use this 60 amp ESC. Well, that's going to be it for this. I have some exciting things coming up. I'll just go ahead and give you a hint. And those of you who know what I'm going to do with that, know what I'm going to do with that. Those of you who don't, you'll just have to wait for the video. But I promise you, it's going to be something different than you've probably ever seen before. All right, well, thanks for watching. Do the usual like and subscribe thing. And have a good one.